Hi, I'm Lori Clapper, editor with Pharmaceutical Online here at INTERPHEX 2012. I'm here today with Tom Tappan of Fluid Air. Tom, thank you so much for taking time out of your show.
Thank you for having us.
And one thing we want to start with is some of the challenges that manufacturers are facing today with solid dose manufacturing. Can you address that a little bit?
Yes, I can. What has happened over the years are that the industry is shifting from products that were primarily water-soluble compounds to water-insoluble compounds. And this creates a lot of challenges from a processing standpoint for the industry. And our challenge is to be able to provide equipment that will help that process along. Formerly, when they had a water-soluble compound, it was easy to be able to make that bioavailable. Well, the non-water solubles have to be processed in a way to be made bioavailable, and that presents certain challenges for our manufacturers.
So if those types of challenges aren't being addressed by the manufacturer, what is the result? How do you
Well, the result is fewer and fewer products, which
right.
is what we're seeing now. The companies are scrambling for new compounds, and that's why they're into these molecules that are not water soluble, because that's pretty much they've picked all the low-hanging fruit from the vine or the tree, so to speak.
So they're just looking for the next new product.
Yes, exactly right. And our challenge is to find ways in which we can help that process.
Well, good segue. In what ways is Fluid Air and spraying systems addressing and helping with those problems?
We are working on means with which we can produce nanoparticles. These are sub-micron sized particles that become bioavailable to the human being. We are working on ways to be able to coat those nanoparticles so that we can modify the release rate. And those are really significant challenges that we have to face.
So, in particular, what are you showing here at INTERPHEX that can help manufacturers?
Well, we have our standard solid dosage development equipment. We also have an ultrasonic spray nozzle that we are working on and will be coming to market with, which will be capable of helping that effort in terms of producing nanoparticles. And Spraying Systems is a 75-year-old company, very, very good technology, a very good experience, and the means with which we can provide that expertise for our customers in the area of spray and liquid delivery.
So with that kind of rich history in the industry, I'm sure you're kind of looking ahead to what's next, or the next big challenge that the industry is facing. Can you talk a little bit about that and maybe what is next on the horizon for spraying systems?
Well, that I think remains to be seen, because the industry is changing drastically. We have the larger companies buying up smaller companies, so it's consolidating more and more. And as I've mentioned earlier, the technology is changing. It's more difficult now to find new products. We're kind of focusing on our solid dosage end of it. What might come away or come down in terms of other delivery technologies like oral disintegrating products, nasal sprays, patches, things of this nature, we've got to be looking at that too.
Okay, thank you so much, Tom,
You're quite welcome.
talking with me again. Have a good show.
Thank you. Bye-bye.